Whoa, look at this lightning. Just watch. It's heat lightning. We are walking up the road. Dun, 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 dun.
How about you delete that one and start a new video where I'm not in it?
Oh, you're not. This is Wolfie. Ruff, 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 ruff. Heat lightning. In the background, these are all lights, though. Just so you know, there was that lightning. Lightning. This stuff is crazy, especially in Tennessee. There was some. This right here is a light. Whoa! Whoa!
Now that was pretty.
What?
That
lightning?
Yeah.
That was some crazy lightning there. I don't know if I got it on YouTube, on video, but that was nuts. There's some. I'm not a storm chaser or anything, but this is lightning. Because I'm watching Malaya's cat, and we came to put her in the house, so we wanted to walk up the road real quick, see what's going on. Whoa. And this big thing, black thing that is in the road is a car. Whoa. Well, as you can tell, there's a lot of lightning going on. Okay, well, we will see you later. Bye-bye.